You know our brand, you know our products, but do you know how they work? LOCTITE has a wide range of repair products aside from just adhesives. Today we're going to be demonstrating LOCTITE PC 9410 Magnet Green. LOCTITE PC 9410 is a two-part rapid setting concrete repair system designed to restore chipped, broken, or spalled concrete. This product is typically applied wherever there is damaged concrete in facilities. Examples of where damaged concrete can be found in facilities is steps, stairs, loading docks, or general floor repairs. It adheres to a variety of substrates such as concrete, wood, and steel. What's great about this solution is that LOCTITE PC 9410's formula allows the product to be applied on new or old concrete and has 2 to 3 times the compression strength of concrete while curing rapidly in 2 hours or less. Between the product's performance, longevity, and cure time, LOCTITE PC 9410 outlasts ordinary concrete and saves you time on repairs. To start off the repair, it's important that you prep your area. If you have any existing loose concrete, it's critical to get rid of the debris by using a wire brush or power washer to get rid of all of the loose bits. If you choose to power wash, please allow the surface to dry completely before applying any product. Then you mix the activator and the aggregate to any ratio that gives you the consistency you need for your job. You can add more activator to the aggregate to make the application self-level, or more aggregate to the mix to get a trowelable consistency. You can pour the mixed product onto horizontal surfaces or trowel onto vertical surface. After the repair area is cured, you can resume operations with ease. Magnet Green can be driven with a forklift in 2 hours or less. LOCTITE Concrete Repair provides minimal shrinkage, fast cure times, and easy to apply formulas. It can be used to fill any patch or any crack in concrete on horizontal or vertical application surfaces. Get started now by following up with the LOCTITE expert below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't just put anything in your crack. Fix it fast with Magnet.